try to talk to the technical people that get your report. And that can be tough because a lot of clients try to shield the administrators from the pen testers because social engineering is bad type of thing. But I find a lot of the times, if you can ever get them to agree to that communication and say, if they don't want it at first, fine. But let's try, once we hand the report, can we have a debrief with the developers, the sysadmin who's responsible for this, and see what they think, right? It'll be really good if you can get that beforehand. Because one of the issues I faced a lot is my upper management gets this report. Some of the findings aren't really findings. There's mitigations in place or something, but they see all this badness, and then it puts a lot of pressure on the person that's trying to fix it. It's really, really good if the person that gets to fix it gets a heads up of it. They can fix some of the things or give some recommendations, say, you did this, it is a problem, but you're over exaggerating this problem or something like that. If you can ever hand a report that shows things that are fixed, it's going to show you did your job. It's also going to relieve a lot of the stress of other people, like the actual worker bees. And then at the end of the day, the management's going to see, like, let's say next year they go to do a pen test. They see, oh, we hired this firm and their report says a lot of things are fixed, versus firm B that says we have a lot of problems. Which do you think they're going to go to next year?